Hey, I'm Sheila Adams, and I'm a former middle school teacher in Rye, New Hampshire. And I did a unique project with Cassie here, and she'll explain a little bit about the program and the project.
I'm Cassie Stymiest. I'm the Executive Director of Educational Passages, which is a nonprofit based in New England that helps connect people like Sheila and her students around the world with really unique global experiences. Back in 2018, we worked together to build a miniature sailboat. These boats are 5 feet long, and you can pack them with GPS transmitter to track them, messages, trinkets, hopes and wishes, and send them off to the ocean and see what happens next. So what happened with your boat?
Our boat was put in the ocean by another tall ship and traveled the Gulf Stream, and we tracked it every single day, which was an amazing experience for my students.
We had the Portsmouth Herald come in to your class to learn about this awesome adventure after 4 months of it not reporting and it showing up in Norway. And we got to share it with Scholastic Science Worlds and the world. And so next we want to share it with you if you come to our session, and we'll tell you all about the project, what you can do, how it works, how to bring it to your classroom.
Even if you don't have a boat, you can actually track a lot of the boats too. And there's a great tool that you can use that's free.
And it's an ocean of opportunity.
Yes.